All right, boys and girls, today we're going to look at kind of using a model to multiply. We've already been working on, in our morning work, how to do problems like this. That first we look at the ones and we complete that math problem, and then we do the tens, ones to tens, and complete that multiplication problem. But when we use a model, we're kind of doing that only in blocks up here. So when we do our multiplication problem at the top, first we go 3 times, let's break this number apart, 20. And then what are we left with? We're left with 3 times the ones, 3. So when we look at 3 times 20, that's when we can go back to using what we learned with multiples. Let's look for a basic fact. Got one. 3 times 2 is 6. Took off 1 0, add 1 0. Now we go over here, 3 times 3, easy enough, that one's 9. Guess what we do with these two numbers? Now, I'm going to show you over here what that looks like. We're doing our ones, 3 times 3. Okay, we start our problem in the ones place. 3 times 3 is still 9. And now it's 3 times 2 tens. 3 times 2 is 6. I don't care how you do it. You're going to end up with the same answer. This one kind of helped me just break it apart, that you stick your tens problem in here, and you stick your ones problem in here, and then you just add them together. Does that make sense to you? Does that help you visually just see it a little bit better? In real life, that's what you're going to end up doing. But on your paper sometimes, you may want to just split it apart and look at it that way. Make sense?